Hola amigos, welcome to Eating with Andy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very impressive dish called Causa Acevichada. It's a mix of two Peruvian classics, a causa and a ceviche. Causa is a versatile cold potato dish with a variety of fillings like chicken, tuna, octopus, prawns, salmon, and the list goes on. This recipe has layers of slightly spicy and tangy mashed potato, homemade mayo, avocado slices, and it's topped with my classic ceviche recipe. So let's get started. Let's start by making our potato base, but first, let's talk potatoes. You want to use a potato that's good for mashing, one with a high starch content. Starchy potatoes have low moisture and sugar levels, but a high starch content. That makes them perfect for mashing. Whereas waxy, low starch potatoes are exactly the opposite. I like using the royal blue potatoes, which you can find at Kohl's. Place half a kilo of royal blue potatoes in a pot and fill with cold water and salt. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low and cook uncovered for around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size, or until you can easily pierce them with a fork. Drain them, and when they're cool enough to handle, peel them. Pass the potatoes through a ricer while they're still warm, or else the mash will be lumpy. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of yellow chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Add a pinch of salt, and we're gonna use our hands to combine it all through. We're gonna place our potato base in the fridge to cool down for around 30 minutes. While our potato base is cooling down, let's work on our homemade mayo. This is a foolproof recipe for the perfect mayo every time. Place 1 room temperature egg in a stick blender bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. I like to use Dijon mustard in the mayo. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And 1 cup of vegetable oil. You need to use a neutral oil when making mayo. Don't go using olive oil. Take your stick blender and put it all the way on the bottom over the top of the egg. Turn it on and let it go until you see the bottom thickening up. Once the bottom is thickened, raise the blender slowly to the top and mix until it's all thick. That's it, homemade mayo in less than a minute. Okay, so I've got my potato base nice and cool, my mayo is ready, my ceviche is in the fridge. Click the link for my classic ceviche recipe. The last thing we need to do is slice some avocado. everything done. Now we just need to assemble. Place a round presentation ring on a serving plate. The one I'm using is 15 centimeters. Spread a layer of the mashed potato. Use the back of a spoon to even it out. Add 2 heaped teaspoons of the mayo. Place some avocado slices, season with salt, and finish with a second layer of potato. Smooth with a spoon and lift the mold. Using 2 spoons, place some of the ceviche on top. Repeat the process to make 4 portions. Drizzle with the remaining tiger's milk. How stunning is that? I recommend using a big spoon. Try to get a bit of everything in that spoon, a bit of the causa, the ceviche, and the tiger's milk. Oh my God, that is such a good combination. The mash is zesty and so smooth with that unique yellow chili flavor. The avocado and mayo make it so creamy, and that ceviche on top. Whew, it just takes it to another level. Thanks so much for watching. If you make this recipe or any of my recipes, please tag me on Instagram. I absolutely love seeing your recreations. If there is anything you would like me to teach you how to make, please let me know in the comments below. Adiós, amigos! Take your stick blender. Oops.